Do you want to skyrocket your YouTube channel without even showing your face? Discover the top 10 AI tools that can automate your content creation and grow your audience effortlessly. Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever dreamed of running a successful YouTube channel while keeping your identity completely private, you're in the right place. In today's video, we are diving into the top 10 AI tools that can help you automate your YouTube content, streamline your workflow, and enhance your video quality. All of that without needing to appear on the camera. Whether you're looking to generate scripts, create stunning visuals, or optimize your SEO, these tools will revolutionize the way you create content. So let's get started. Creating and growing a faceless YouTube channel can be an exciting and rewarding venture. With the right tools, you can automate many aspects of content creation, allowing you to focus on strategy and engagement. Here's a countdown of the top 10 AI tools that can help you streamline your YouTube automation and elevate your channel. Number 10. Invidio. Invidio is an intuitive video editing tool that leverages AI to help you create high-quality videos quickly and effectively. With its extensive library of templates, stock footage, and music, Invidio allows you to produce engaging content even without prior editing experience. You can easily customize videos with drag-and-drop functionality, and its text-to-video feature enables you to transform written scripts into polished video presentations in just minutes. This is particularly useful for faceless channels, where visual storytelling plays a crucial role in capturing the viewer's attention. Additionally, Invidio offers collaboration features, making it easy to work with team members or freelancers. Number 9. TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a powerful browser extension tailored for YouTube creators, packed with features to help optimize your channel. Its AI-driven tools provide insights into SEO, allowing you to conduct keyword research, generate effective tags, and create eye-catching thumbnails that improve click-through rates. TubeBuddy also offers advanced analytics, enabling you to track your performance metrics over time and understand your audience's behavior better. This information can guide your content strategy, helping you tailor your videos to meet viewer preferences and trends. The bulk processing feature also saves time, letting you apply changes to multiple videos at once. Number 8. Synthesia. Synthesia is a revolutionary AI tool that allows you to create videos featuring realistic virtual avatars. You can input text and the AI will generate a video where an avatar presents your script, making it ideal for faceless channels where on-screen presence is not desired. Synthesia supports multiple languages, broadening your reach to a global audience. The quality of AI avatars is impressive, enhancing the professionalism of your content. Furthermore, the platform offers customization options, allowing you to choose avatars that align with your brand's tone and style. This technology can be especially useful for educational or corporate content. Number 7. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a powerful AI video creation platform designed to convert text content into visually appealing videos. By simply inputting your blog post or script, Lumen 5's AI analyzes the text and suggests relevant visuals, layouts, and transitions. This is particularly beneficial for repurposing existing content, such as blog articles, into engaging videos that attract viewers on YouTube. The platform offers a variety of customization options, allowing you to maintain your brand's aesthetic while creating professional quality videos. Additionally, Lumen 5's intuitive interface makes it easy for users at all skill levels to produce eye-catching content. Number 6. VidIQ. VidIQ is an essential tool for YouTube creators looking to optimize their channels and boost visibility. This platform provides in-depth insights into video performance, keyword tracking, and competitor analysis, allowing you to make data-driven decisions. VidIQ's AI-driven recommendations help you craft better titles, descriptions, and tags, thus ensuring your content reaches its intended audience. The platform also features a powerful keyword research tool that helps you discover trending topics and optimize your video strategy accordingly. Furthermore, The real-time analytics can help you gauge viewer engagement and adjust your approach as needed. Number 5. Pictory. Pictory is an AI video generator that excels at turning written content into short, engaging video snippets. This tool is ideal for creating highlight reels or promotional clips that can be shared across social media platforms, driving traffic back to your main YouTube channel. Pictory allows you to add captions, voiceovers, and music to your videos, thus enhancing their appeal. The AI also selects visually appealing images and clips based on your content, ensuring that your videos are not only informative but also captivating. This is especially useful for faceless channels looking to create shareable content without extensive video production. Number 4. Canva. Canva is a versatile design tool that offers a wide array of templates for creating thumbnails, social media graphics, and video elements. Its user-friendly interface enables you to design visually appealing graphics that captures viewers' attention. Customizing thumbnails with Canva is crucial for increasing click-through rates on your videos. The platform's AI features provide design suggestions based on your existing content, helping you maintain a consistent brand aesthetic. Canva also includes animation features, allowing you to create dynamic elements for your videos. Additionally, Canva offers collaborative tools, making it easy to work with team members on designs. Number 3. Descript. Descript is an innovative editing tool that revolutionizes video and audio editing by integrating AI technology. It allows you to edit your video by editing text, making it incredibly intuitive for users who may not be familiar with traditional editing software. You can easily remove filler words, rearrange sections, and even add subtitles automatically. Descript's transcription features enhances accessibility, allowing you to create subtitles for your videos effortlessly. For faceless channels, this tool can significantly reduce editing time while maintaining high-quality output. Its collaborative features also enable teams to work together seamlessly on projects, thus streamlining the editing process. Number 2. Animaker. Animaker is a user-friendly platform designed for creating animated videos, making it a great choice for faceless content creators. With its drag-and-drop interface, you can easily create engaging animations using a library of pre-made characters, backgrounds, and props. Animaker is particularly effective for explaining complex concepts or stories without the need for live-action footage. The tool also allows for voiceovers, enhancing the narrative quality of your videos. With various animation styles and customization options, you can align your content with your channel's branding. Additionally, Animaker provides templates for different video types, such as explainer videos and social media clips. Number 1. ChatGPT. ChatGPT can be an invaluable resource for content ideation and script writing, helping you generate fresh ideas and engaging narratives. You can use it to brainstorm video topics, draft scripts, or even create titles and descriptions that resonate with your audience. This tool helps save time while enhancing creativity, ensuring that your content remains informative and entertaining. Moreover, ChatGPT can assist with generating engaging prompts or questions that encourage viewer interaction in the comment section. By integrating ChatGPT into your workflow, you can maintain a steady stream of quality content and keep your audience engaged, ultimately leading to channel growth. Utilizing these AI tools can significantly enhance your YouTube automation efforts, making it easier to grow a faceless YouTube channel. From video creation and editing to optimization and design, these resources streamline your workflow and improve the quality of your content. By leveraging the power of AI, you can focus on what truly matters, connecting with your audience and building a successful YouTube presence. Embrace these technologies and watch your channel flourish. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. And also let us know in the comments section what topic you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video.